What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Patrick here, moving on to another example dealing with exponential functions. Here we have to write two different exponential functions with different bases that have a horizontal asymptote of -1 and that pass through the point 1 and 7. So this one's going to be interesting. Now, if the exponential function is going to have a horizontal asymptote of -1, which of the transformation values does that deal with? The c value, right? The c value is always equal to the horizontal asymptote. So right away we know for whatever exponential function we write, there's going to be a c value of -1. And so we know that we're going to have exponential functions with a c value of -1, like that. Now, because these are going to pass through the point 1 and 7, we actually need another transformation value, right? Because we're going to have to create two different ones. So you could actually pick whichever one you want. I'm going to pick an a value to put in front. So let me actually erase this here, give myself some room, and I'm going to put an a value right here in front, like that. And I could pick two different bases. So I can, for example, in this function, pick whatever base I want. I could pick, let's say, 2 to the power of x. That's going to be -1. And then over here, I could pick, let's say, 5 to the power of x, -1. You could also pick a fraction if you want. I'll just keep them bases greater than 1. And then all you have to do is plug in this point for x and y for both of them and then solve for the a value. So if I plug in 1 and 7, I'll have 7 equals a 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. Bring this over. 8 equals 2a. So a is equal to 4. So one of the equations would be 4 times 2 to the power of x minus 1, right? From this algebra here. Doing the same process, I'll plug in 7, a 5 to the power of 1 minus 1, bring the -1 over, we'll have 8. 8 equals 5a, so that means a is going to be 8 over 5, like that. So this equation would be y equals 8 over 5, 5 to the power of x minus 1. So that's another possibility right there. And if you were to take both of these and graph them, they're not the same exponential function. If you took these and graphed them in Desmos, you would see that they're different functions, but they both will contain a horizontal asymptote of -1, and they both will go through the point 1 and 7. They'll both intersect at that point. And those are the only two characteristics that our functions needed to have. And that's a wrap for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you want to see more videos like this, please go to my website, allthingsmathematics.com. Over there, all of the videos are organized by chapter, by section. If you feel like you need tutoring at any point, you could also hit me up. My contact details are on the website. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.